Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey here back with another YouTube video here for y'all. Today I'm gonna be making something that's so good and really filling, and you can't really old school comfort as you can get. I'm making old school spaghetti with homemade meat sauce, and I'm gonna do some garlic bread too. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my noodles going here in my pot. I got my water already boiling here to my left. I'm gonna get them going. I got the water salted too, so I'll get them going in there. Okay, while that's going, the next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna get my garlic bread going in the oven. While the meat sauce is cooking, while I'm doing the meat sauce, I can be garlic bread can be cooking. All I got is a French bread you can get in the store. It costs $1 most places. What I'm doing, I'm gonna cut it in half here, like this. Open it up. I make these all the time, and I just smear inside garlic butter, just like this. Garlic butter inside of it, just like that. All I got in here is garlic and salted butter. That's it. Very simple. Now smear that in there. Take it and wrap it in foil. Wrap it in foil here. Like this. And I put it in the oven just like this. That's it. See how easy that was? Garlic bread gonna be ready here by the time I finish this pasta. Okay, now I'm gonna start to work on the sauce here. The sauce is very simple. Get my pan heating up here. Make sure my pasta's going good here. And please subscribe to my channel. I don't say that enough. There's a little red button down there in the bottom of your screen to your right. Just click on that. And at the end of every video, I have an end screen, you know. When my ugly face pops up, you can click on that also and subscribe to my channel. I read all comments and I respond to all the comments. So please comment on my videos. This down in there. Okay. I'm gonna put a little oil in this. The best flour. Okay, I got ground meat, pound of ground meat, garlic. I got tomato paste. I got tomato sauce here, diced tomatoes, and onions. That's all I put in my spaghetti sauce. And the recipe is definitely on the description of the video. So if I go too fast or you miss something, you can always go to the video description and read it. Noodles going good here. And my noodles, I don't put oil. People think if you put oil in the water, it'll prevent the noodles from sticking. But it's a myth. You put the oil on the pasta after it comes out of the water. You don't oil it with the water. That's just something, a little tip there for you. Okay, got the oil here heating up here, and let me see if it's at the temperature. Not quite. Noodles coming really good there, and cover them up. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is put garlic in there first. Then I'll add my onions. I'll move them around there a little. Let them garlic cook a little. Like I said, it's a very simple recipe. Very quick too. I'm going to saute them onions up really good because you don't want to, I don't like to taste crunchy onions in my sauce. And that's like a half an onion, maybe a half a cup, not much. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put our ground meat in there. Like I said, that's just 1 pound of ground meat. Break this up in here and brown it off. Real good. You just want to brown this off. So I'm gonna stop the camera here and let this brown off here a little, because I don't want y'all standing here watching me brown meat. That's boring. So I'll be right back when this is browned off. Takes about 5-10 minutes for it to brown it off completely, and I'll be right back when it's browned off. Alright y'all, we back here. The meat is coming along real good. Nice and brown there. Onions and garlic. All I got in here, remember, just onions, garlic, and the ground meat. Okay, now I'm gonna put my tomato paste in here. This gonna make the sauce thick. That's what tomato paste does. It gives you a natural tomato thickener. That's really the purpose of tomato paste. It gives you a sauce body. So, tomato paste in there. Stir that around in there. Get that incorporated. A lot of people didn't know what the purpose of tomato paste was. It's real bitter. That's why I'm going to add a little sugar near the end of this to try to balance the bitterness of the tomato paste. But that's for later. Alright, it's coming along there. Alright. Let's check my pasta here. Oh yeah, the noodles are almost ready. Okay, now we're going to pour in the chopped tomatoes and the tomato sauce. Pour all that in there. Stir that up in there. Now we're looking like something here. Look at that. Nice tomato sauce. Tomato meat sauce. Can't go wrong. Alright. Alright, when that boils over, that means my pasta is ready. Yes, sir. I'll turn this off, and while that's starting, I'm going to take my pasta out of here, my noodles out of here. Turn this down just a little, because this stuff will pop on you. While I get my pasta out of here. Put this up. Pasta out the water here. Drain that. Keep going here. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in it. And I'm going to put a little sugar in here to balance out the bitterness of the tomato paste. I put a little sugar in it to balance off, because if not, it's going to be bitter. It's going to have a little bitterness taste. And like I say, this sauce don't take long at all. Toss this here. Pasta's ready. Pasta's ready here. Set that to the side, and we're gonna keep going our sauce here. We're gonna give it a taste here, because it's very important that you taste. Make sure it's just a little bit more salt and pepper. You how quick and easy they come along. And look how thick it is. That's the tomato paste. That's what tomato paste does to it. But one One thing about this, you got to keep stirring it, because it will pop on you. If you don't have the right kind of pot, of course I got a Dutch oven here, so it's hard to stick in this thing. See how pretty that is? So I got my pastas back here. Pasta's good to go here. Oh yeah. Keep stirring it there. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this off, but this is ready. Take 15, 20 minutes to cook this, and this is ready. Then when we brown the meat off, we added the sauce to that. See how quick that was? Now, you have two options. You can put the pasta on the plate and put the sauce on top of it, but this is what I like to do. I like to take my pasta and pour it right into the sauce. That way, I'm guaranteed to have plenty of sauce on each string of pasta. And we just stir it around like this. Look at that. Big old pot of old wholesome spaghetti. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with this. And make sure it's all coated in there. All that meat sauce. See that? Make sure it's all in there good. See that? Yes, sir. Can't go wrong with this. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna plate this up here. We still got our garlic bread to be ready in the oven that we put in there. Okay. Spatula here. Plate this sucker up here. Cannot go wrong with this. Look at that. That look pretty. Yeah. Get our garlic toast here. Over there. Now let's get our garlic bread out of here. 1 second. Okay. Get our garlic toast out of here. Here we go. It's all good and ready to go. Look at that. Woo. Hot and ready. Let's cut a piece of this garlic bread. Look at that. There we go. Put a little of that garlic toast on there. That's good to go right there. Yes, sir. Look at that. How quick that was. It's a good middle of wheat dish there. Look at that. Old school spaghetti, y'all. I'm gonna save that plate for the picture. And I'm gonna eat something right out of the pot here, which I just love doing. Look at that. Look at that. Eat right out of the pot here. Spoon it on there. That is good. Wow. Look at this toast. Garlic bread is good. Can't go wrong, y'all. Can't go wrong. Try this recipe. Give this recipe thumbs up, comment. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.